Find the discount, the new price with the discount, and the final cost with tax. So we have all these 4 blanks to fill in. First thing is how much is saved? How much money are we going to save? So in this example, the discount is 21.8%. Now you have to remember that to use that, it either needs to be a fraction or a decimal, and the decimal is the easy way to go. 21.8% is 21.8 divided by 100. Remember, percent means divided by 100. And you can punch that in the calculator, but all you're going to do is move the decimal 2 places. It ends up being 0.218. So this is what we're going to save. We're going to use that actually to figure out what we save. So our price is $576.89, and we're going to save 21.8%. We're going to punch this in and round to the nearest penny, and that's how much we'll save on this with this discount. To the nearest penny, this is $125.76. Now make sure you're rounding to the nearest cent. So whatever the number was here, for this example, it was a 2. If that 2, if it had been a 5 or bigger, we'd gone up, and the 6 would become a 7. But since it's less than 5, we keep it as 76 cents. So this is how much money we save with that discount. $125.76. Now we're going to take the $576.89 and we're going to subtract how much we save, $125.76. Plugging that in the calculator, we get $451.13. So that's what we're going to pay for it, but then we have to add tax on that. Now the tax in this example is 7.7%. So just like we did a little bit ago, 7.7%, remember, is 7.7 divided by 100, which you move the decimal 2 places, ends up being 0.077. So this is what will get added. We'll multiply that. That's how we're going to figure out what gets added. So we'll take the $451.13 and we'll multiply it by the tax rate, 0.077, and again round to the nearest penny. That ends up being to the nearest cent. It's $34 and it's 0.737. Now we're rounding to the nearest penny. Since this number is bigger than 5, we're going to round the 3 up and it'll become a 4. So our tax dollars are $34.74. And we're going to add that to the cost of the item. We'll take these 2 things and add them together. $451.13 plus $34.74. And this is what we'll pay at the cash register. So that is $485.87. Another example. Crystal bought a bicycle. It was $453.39, but it's being discounted by 15.8%. So let's make that 15.8% into a decimal so we can use it in the equation. It's 15.8 divided by 100, which is 0.158. This is the discount rate. So we'll take the $453.39 and we'll multiply by 0.158 to find out how much money we save. The calculator says $71 and it's 0.635. Now since this number is bigger, it's 5 or bigger, we go up. So that's going to make the 3 a 4. This is how much we're going to save from the discount, $71.64. Now to find the new price, we'll take the $453.39 and subtract the $71.64 we're saving by the discount. That ends up being $381.75. Now we have tax on that, so we'll take the percent of tax, which in this case is 8.1%, and we need to make it a decimal so we can use it. 8.1% is 8.1 divided by 100, which is 0.081. So to figure out our tax, we'll take our $381.75, multiply by 0.081, and this is how much tax will get added in dollars, round to the nearest penny. The calculator says $30.92, and after the 2 is a 1. So that 1 tells us to keep the 2 the same. So this is the tax that gets added, $30.92. Now to get the total cost, we take our discounted cost, $381.75, and add tax to it of $30.92. And the final we'll pay at the register is $412.67.